each other. Oh my God. Almost forgot. May everything we do today be blessed and God bless everyone's opportunity. Let's go work. See, that's what we needed, King. Love having it. 5 TPT fundeds and 5 MFFs fundeds being traded today for me. Let's go. Big day for a split. 10 fundeds with 2 great prop firms. I believe in you, King. Big stuff coming your way. Trade well, trade calm, find opportunities. You're a great trader. You'll make it happen. Deontay, good morning, King. What's up, baby? Appreciate you for being here. Yeah, that's fire. Let's go, split. I'm excited for you, King. I want to short here. I also want to short here, Dave. I want to short at the 830s, that previous day high price, around this previous day high, as well as some other liquidity. So I'm actually going to put an order here on MNQ. I'm going to go trade mode. And we're going to go, don't need that, 15 at the 830s. Might come up a little bit higher into the VWAP around there, but I'm going to come down and look for a short at the VWAP. Sell 15 at the 828s. That's what we're looking for our first trade. Apex Live, still not ready. You think I should send a ticket? Damn, still? I might, Brandon. I mean, Brom. I might, King. I don't know. That's weird to me, but still, congratulations. I'm still so proud of you for being on a live. But yeah, I think they should be getting back to you quicker than that. War in Iran is causing biggest energy crisis in history. It really is. Saw some information on that yesterday. We've never had this much of an oil disruption in the supply in the history of ever. Last time we had the 2 corrections that were even close to this was not as drastic. It was 1979 and 1990, I believe it was. I think those were the 2. Both in which we had recessions following for months on months in the market afterwards, and we saw a lot of shock to prices. So we'll see if this time's different. Currently, the market's saying it's not. The market's currently saying that we are not going to feel any ramifications of what's going on and to just keep buying it. So I think this is one of the biggest times we've ever seen from separation of what the market says, the paper price says we should be doing in terms of what the market actually feels. So we'll see how we react. But here we go, family. Market's opening right now. What are we getting here? Sold off into that daily opening print price instantly. Right back up into the VWAP. Are we going to get a fill? Just got filled into our VWAP position. Oh, my volume, family. I think I just saw the 150 flash as well. It just happened so quick. I don't even know. That was insane. Oh my God, I'm taking it.
Order filled.
I'm taking that into the daily opening print price. 3 micros just sold for 300. We're back. Second winning day, locked and loaded. Holy shit. Into that daily opening print price. I mean, if you tell me that's a fucking $300 day times 5, I'm going to take that every single day. That was a 1-minute work day right there, family. We put our order in. We saw the rejection of that previous day high. We got some volume to come in and give us a fill. And then we rejected it strong into to that daily low, to that daily opening print. Let's go, family. Excuse me. I'm so sorry for that in your ears. Show some love for that, family. 1-minute work day. Bouncing back from yesterday. We struggled really hard, but we made it back like it wasn't even difficult. And now we hit our winning day. We're almost back to the 54,000. We need 3 more winning days, and we're going to lock another payout. I'm going to go ahead and cancel market, manual lockout. Part of me is like, should I just look for other positions? Is that the greed? Look at the selling. Yeah, it's greed. I'm going to lock it out, family. I'm joking. Trade one's not even on here. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty nice. Select time, end of trading day, lock it out. 292s times 5. We got what we needed. Lock that thing. Boom. And now we go get some different accounts, I guess, because I want to be able to trade these. But holy selling pressure. We got a beautiful entry. Tapped in perfectly, and then we found the selling pressure to grab a lot of points, actually. What was it? What was our contracts traded? 80s, so we grabbed, 50 points. 50 points with 3 contracts, not bad. What? Fucking go. Let's go, family. Lock it, my guy. I know. I know, Mar. I was trolling. Part of me really didn't want to, but I did. I shorted 805, 785. Didn't limit like you did. Don't like doing it before market opens. 192 by 5. Dave, trading like a professional on those 5 accounts. I am so proud of the consistency you're displaying, King. It's absolutely beautiful. Let's go. Stud trading. Look at this. Should have held this little cat, I guess. She's finding some selling pressure through that daily opening print price. I think you can look for some shorts pretty confirmed right now. Again, what I was just saying before the market even opened there, family, is this is one of the biggest separations from what the market feels. So if you go to someone at the gas station and say, hey, how does it feel like the economy is right now? How does it feel when you're going to the grocery store? How does it feel when you're going to the gas station? They would say it feels fucking terrible. But if you look at the stock market, it would tell you that we're at all-time highs. Things have never been better. We're completely bullish. The separation of those is one of the biggest that we've ever felt in the history of time, as well as this is one of the biggest fuel divergences in terms of, like, we have so much of our fuel being held off right now. So big supply issue. Never happened before at this rate, at like what, almost 20% of world supply. Last time it was only 7% in 1979. We sold off 50% of the stock market, and the last time we had I think it was like a 8% oil hold off in the 1990s. Then we sold off 20% in the stock market. It reclaimed a lot quicker. It was a fast recovery because the resolution was fast. But this resolution, we don't have any confirmation on it. And like I said, people just feel more bearish at the markets and at the gas stations and grocery stores than ever. Yeah, the market's at all-time highs. Coming in closure at that daily opening print, that daily previous day high, rejecting VWAP. Getting a closure below this daily opening print and VWAP, I think you could get a chance here. The market's only been open for 4 minutes, so taking another short here doesn't feel bad. I'm going to try to load up some accounts, family, on some take profit traders. And while we're waiting, show some love to the love button. Could we smash that thing? There's 35 of you beautiful souls in here. Could we get 35 likes? That would be incredible. And I'm going to go ahead and load up take profit trader because I like them. And I want to get some more guap. I also have to try to trade Apex and MFF because those are the only two prop firms currently that I have not made money on, that I'm negative. All the other prop firms I've made more than I've spent. Those two have my guap. So at some point in the future, we're going to come back for that. But not today. Today I'm going to trade some more MFFs or take profit traders. Because why? Because I actually really like them. And we got to do what we can. I got to go to Authenticator to get signed in here. Looks like we're rejecting this EMA. Do we get up through there, or is this daily opening print price going to be the obstacle? Let's get signed in here. 056 0398. Verify. Pro accounts. Reset those pro accounts. Test accounts. Active. Disabled. Reset it, girl. Come on now. Don't you know what we doing? Reset. Next. 1, 2, 3. Next. Finding rejection at this EMA. Never really got up there. Sold back into the new lower dates at the 726s. Looking like it's still pretty bearish in the NASDAQ right now. I would be waiting, family. If you haven't gotten a position yet, I think we could still retest. Maybe, again, anything below his daily opening print price. Excuse me. I would be looking for shorts. Just reset one of my accounts. Got 4 more to go here. Be patient while I get them cats loaded. And then I'm going to be trading these with you guys. Good luck, though. I hope everyone's trading well right now. I think longs are going to come in. Be careful. They could be at any moment. We've seen in the last 3 weeks have been unrelenting, so anything could happen. I'm in sells on gold, putting that break even on now. Let's go, work. Big black, no wick for the man over there. Excited for you, King. We might see the 665s, 650s for longs, or the 26 750s. You think so? As long as we stay below this daily opening print and VWAP, I'm going to be bearish on the day so far, but we'll see what happens. There she is, Queen. Welcome in. Good morning. Hope you're doing bright and happy things, starting the day, having good trading. Actually, good afternoon in your world as well. Hope you had a good day and having a good evening as well. Well, let's go, family. I have 3 more accounts to purchase of these TPT accounts, and then we're going to be go ahead and trying to get funded with them once again. You know, it's a game here. You gotta just pick the prop firms that you guys like their rules, their sizing, their opportunity. I like Take Profit Trader right now for the fact is that you can get a nice uncapped payout above the buffer. Hey, thank you. Obviously, the intraday trailing drawdown is difficult. Coming back up into this EMA, like D said, longs could come in back up and around these 650s, 750s. I like to see more shorts here. Below this daily opening print, below EMA, below VWAP, I'm going to see some bearish price action. If you look over here as well, we have a lot more of this volume profile auctioned and filled out on the above this node of the 810s, but not a lot filled out below here. So I feel like we're going to just have some more auctioning, some more chopping around there to fill. Let's reset our number 4 really quickly. And then we're going to go ahead and log in. We locked in our second winning day, and we just need 3 more after today with a 1-minute payday. You really can't be upset with that. I don't think I've had that in a long time. That was nice. Reset. Next. 1, 2, 3. Next. And they're purchased, family. Now we got to wait a little bit. They are pending, but I'm going to try to sign in immediately, see if it lets us. And in the meantime, we're going to see what we can find here. Morning, fam. Nice dub early, I see. Let's go, TLR. Welcome, Main King. Appreciate having you here as always. And yes, sir, we got a very nice, 1-minute workday there. Obviously, had I taken that on NQ, my goodness. Actually, I don't think I got filled. 826.50 on NQ. MNQ gave me a fill at the 27s. NQ came up into the 37s. And actual NASDAQ ripped off to the 25s. I might have been missed there, family. That's crazy to think. And here we go. Rejecting below this EMA. Still heading back towards the low of day here to 726s. What are we going to find here? A lot of bearish action still. Still a lot more volume to be filled out on the bottom half of this volume profile. Anything could happen. W, Sopai. Welcome in, King. Drop them likes, boys. Kings, queens, and all of royalty. Drop the love button. Trying to get to our 40 like stream goal. We were just like 1 or 2 shy yesterday, but the way that I was handling the charts emotionally, I did not deserve y'all's love. Did not deserve likes to be supported on that behavior. So today, let's smash it though. Positive vibes, good trading, clear perspective, no emotions. Let's get the 40 like goal hit, and let's get these new accounts half passed. I can't believe I have this episode labeled as wrong as well. Episode 220. No. We're like 253. Goofy. There's a big ass fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame at the 760s. I might be looking for longs off that. Also a gap where we're rejecting now at the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute range is almost in. We have 5 more minutes. And yeah, we didn't create a big gap right there, but we'll see what happens. A little bit of an imbalance. 15-minute fair value gap. 26,805. Yep. 806 to the 778 is the imbalance, which again lines up with these previous swings. So I wouldn't mind an 802 retest. If we come back in the 802s, I would try a short there if we got up there, but we'll see what happens. We have these take profit accounts loaded. Lucid accounts, second winning day locked in. 292. We can be happy with it. I'm going to close it out, and we're going to pull up our Tradeovate again, and we are going to log in now with TPT. So let's go ahead and get that situated and try to find some more capital. Can we do it again? Can we have another good day on these accounts real quick? I think we can. 5-day to pass, so we don't need to be looking for the Valhalla, although I typically try to get like the 1500, and then you can base hits your way through, but we'll see what we can do here. And now we're ready to go. TPT accounts. Manage. Let's make a group. 50Ks. What was that? No, what was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, save. Group is on. We're on minis, and we're ready to go here, family. Let's turn trade mode on. Let's put 1 contract. So 5, yes. And see what we can find. Our 15-minute range is almost going to get developed here, so anything could happen. Anything. That all happened so quick, I didn't even get to record it for my video. If we come back up into this daily opening print around these 776s, maybe try to get up into the 8s, I'm going to like the selling pressure. I mean, the fact that we're even getting this much wicks and still setting new lows, to me, looking pretty weak. This kind of looks like a golf pattern. I'm not really seeing the V recovery that the longs have been showing lately. Usually on these bottoms, it's been just immediately bought back up into strength. So with the kind of club pattern that we're forming, you see how it kind of looks like a club? Usually when you see this pressure, we're going to continue to chop around these highs and then find more selling. So if we come back up in this daily opening print, I'm going to be tempted to try it. I think even a better option is if we come back up into the 8s, I'll be very bullish, bearish, sorry, at like the 800 whole number. And I'm interested that MNQ is trading at different prices. Like I said, I got filled at the 37s there on MNQ, but the actual NASDAQ, would not have been filled at the 27s where I was in at. We came up into the 26, 25s. Here we go, this daily opening print price. If I get in, I'd have 25 points above, so I'm really willing to take it. Sell, 776, looking for a sell. Could be a little dangerous with our 15-minute range, but also looks like it's 50% of the 15-minute range. Let's see if we get tapped in here. I'm also going to get ready to draw up our box. It looks like we're going to be able to do it. Rectangle, go to our 29th minute. Top of the range, 54, 55. That's our 15-minute range as of right now. Tap me in there. Surely I don't get missed by whatever that was. A point, right? Surely you come up and tap that daily opening print and give me some love, right, Nazi? Right? Like me and you, girl. Surely. We're looking for an order to 776s, which if you look at it, it looks it's about perfectly 50% of the 15-minute range, as well as being at that daily opening print price. I like it. I think it's a good spot to find some continuation from the shorts. It looks like I may not be getting my fill. I would have rather been obviously tapped in early there rather than now waiting for this retest of our price. But we might be waiting for the retest. No big deal. We'll see what happens. Just got back on your live and recorded it. Just go back and record it. Yeah, I have to. But then the quality's just a little bit weaker there. That's the only problem. The quality isn't as crispy as if I had my camera straight recording it. Or my software. Here we go. Retesting back into that EMA. Finding some support. Now a little bit less weak looking, but still willing to try a short here at this daily opening print. If I get a fill, you can still see some resistance. A lot of wick here. Could easily be wrong, but my stops are going to be above the 8s. So if I'm wrong, I'm only risking so many points. Here comes the pressure into that daily opening print. Do we find continuation off this? 75 points would be us passing, or half passing, which I don't know if we're going to get all that range. We're just going to go ahead and see what happens here. Can we get back through the EMA with some selling pressure? Decent closure from the shorts. Want to see some
stop filled
off that. Beautiful so far. No wick here would be ideal, and we can see some new lows maybe get taken out. No wick here would be ideal. See new lows start heading back towards this bottom of this range. This candle here is the outside range of our 15 minutes. So here we go. So now I'd like to see us try to sweep through the bottom of the 15-minute range. It's a nice closure so far. Good reaction. Don't really need to worry too much. I could put my break evens on. I'm going to wait a little bit until we at least snap through like these 740s. You could technically put it on below the 752s, but we already swept through that. I want to see a closure down here. Show me some more weight. And if we get through these 40s right now, I'm going to put my break even on. Good attempt from the sellers, respecting the 50% of the 15-minute range. Look.
I like more low here, to be honest. Yeah. I mean, we're definitely ranging. Gotta love this. So I'm gonna try a quick long here, guys, to be honest. My stop is going to be 745. So I'm trying to long. Not going to give this a lot of room. My stop is going to be basically below this low, right, if it takes it out. Want to see if we can get back and push these highs. Bottom of the range. Looking for like 10 points. We'll
order
see if we get it
filled
or not. All right, so there's 10 points.
Let's see how the sellers respond to it. It's a pretty good candle, though. Nice strength. I think the 800s could be coming in. And above the 8s, the VWAP is at the 810s. So that's most likely really where I'd rather be stopped out. Risking the 25 points. So risking $500 on this trade. Or, no, 35 points because of the 10. Just got back on your live. Yeah, almost 2K subs. It's incredible, isn't it, Queen? And you guys, my OGs, day ones, means so much. Obviously, new family members is always welcomed, but our OGs this is our community right here, family. It's crazy. Almost 2,000 subs is crazy, crazy. I'm in a long. Let's go, D. Good entry if you bought that price down here at the 45s on the previous support level. My only issue would be around the 800s to see if the longs can continue through there. VWAP's right above, so that could be a spot to exit as well. We'll see what happens. We'll take a gander and we'll see what happens. Look at the wick on this hourly chart forming right now. I personally don't believe it, but we will find out as a family if it's real or not. And I mean, personally, I'm not really a big supporter of it, but we'll see what happens. Back into the daily opening print we go. Blue line algorithm. Like I said, if we come back up into the 8s, I actually might even try one more contract. And then stop out above VWAP. Excuse me. Here we go. Back into the EMA. Can we get through there? If we wick the EMA, probably 800s are coming in. If we don't wick it and start closing back below the EMA, I think we could still see the lows. Here we go. Big price. Are we going to wick and hold this EMA? If so, like I said, support can bring us higher. If we start closing below, then and we're holding it so far, but still below that daily opening print price. Anything could happen here. Battle spot at these 7.7. It's a battle spot. Yeah, I'm in long as well. TP is 800. I like the 800 TP. I'm bearish today, family. More than I have been. I know the last few weeks have been unrelenting for long, so you guys are in a good spot, but today feels a little bit, I don't know. Okay, I don't know. We're below previous day high. Buyers tried and just looked weak overnight with a strong hourly doji. Looks like we're starting to invert. We'll see what happens. Got to get a closure down here. Don't want to see any wicks. European natural gas prices climb with Iran peace talks in question. Everything's climbing, unfortunately. Everything that we don't want to climb, as well as the NASDAQ and all other markets at all-time highs. Which are
Yo, what up, Kevin?
That's a nasty wick. So if you guys are looking in the longs, you like to see that support. Don't want to see it close there. Let's see who brings this pressure. EMA is a big spot. Still stuck below the daily opening print, which I think is bearish. I think we have a chance to head lower here. Kind of looks like we're forming a classic little flag. Of course, we actually have to break it for it to be real. I think this is the trend line that I notice. A little quad touch on the support. Breaking through this looks pretty bearish.
Yo, Kevin, can you hear me?
If we get through this, it looks pretty ugly. If we continue to hold, like I said, I still think 800 is decent.
Let me see.
VWAP is
Hold up.
curling really aggressively.
Let me see if my
Usually
thing
when you
is
see this
changed.
much of an arc in VWAP,
now?
It kind of shows continuation.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Kind of shows a little bit of continuation from where it initially started. When we get that much pressure in the drop of the market open, it kind of started dragging it, and now it's still keeping a pretty steep
I'm
curve.
in a long.
So
We
we'll see what
have
happens.
these rejections on the
Still
5
holding
minute.
this trend line at the moment.
And I'm waiting.
Daily opening print price
seeing
above.
if we can get above this.
Where do we go? Where do we come from? Let's watch
All right,
it.
what level is that?
What level?
What number?
For what? The long.
Out of this if I am in that position still. Otherwise, I might even add a second sell contract at the 8s.
This looks like the candle.
802,
Yep,
804s.
there it is. They're bailing.
Kind of like it. We'll see what happens.
What?
W's, Malachi Shaw.
He
welcome
thinks
in,
longs are
King.
coming now?
Love having you here as always. I'm still holding sells and gold.
Yeah,
half
because there was a
size.
bunch
Right
of
now,
big
811,
sellers
big
that
support
all
at the
got
820,
in,
so if we reach a
and
bit
he was
higher,
waiting for them to
debating
get
adding
squeezed
it.
out,
I
but
like that.
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
in
in
the
And they
same
just
boat,
did,
but
he
here we
thinks.
go.
Yeah,
NASDAQ
I'm going
holds
for
above that
longs,
daily
too.
opening print price, finding some continuation. The volume still doesn't look impressive to me.
I like how
We're coming back
we
up into
might
these
get out of this
802s. I'm
before
going to
the
take a
numbers
second
come out, so that
contract
would be
at the
fuck
802.
off.
Assume that we come back up into this VWAP. No 4, I'm actually going
Yeah, my order's still.
So far, though, this is a classic VWAP. I mean, a classic V
Alright, we
recovery
break
from the
this.
NASDAQ.
Or fade.
But we're down only, 20 points. It's really not a big range today. Don't have to be too afraid of
Not
extra
stressed
contracts.
at all.
News is at 10.
Yes, starting to break
What?
out here.
What is it, King? I didn't even know
way
that.
higher.
We don't have
Take a
news,
peek real
actually.
fast.
All right, you
News
said
is at 10
numbers.
a.m. Is it? What is it? Fed
Oh.
chairman designates Warsh testifies. Chairman designate Warsh testifies. We have Warsh on there for the first time.
70, which lines up.
Interesting.
Hey, comment. Hey,
Oh,
ask
Our
him.
side, I'm holding
Yo,
some
Kevin, can
you
on
ask him
gold,
something?
So hoping buyers get
Ray, red to
exhausted.
green.
Might, yeah.
House sales.
Ask him what does he
Sales.
think the news is gonna do
I
at
didn't see
10.
that just now.
I want to see what he
Today
says.
is the 21st, right?
Look, about 500.
Pending home sales. Oh, orange. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See,
Just got tapped into a second contract there
You
at
think
the
the news is gonna
804s
bring
like
it
we
down?
said that we wanted. Picks our new average here at the 790s, and means that my actual contract to get out of this for profit would be what, 35 points. So I would need to see 65 get traded to have our 50% of the day done. So by 10, actually I'd have this be 10. By 10 limit, if we can get down there.
You said the numbers could
And stocks are
evaporate
gonna
it.
be above this
The-
VWAP for me to get out of this.
what the
The
fuck?
momentum.
A
what does
closure
that
above
mean?
the VWAP though. And now we wait, family. Can we get a
What do you
reaction?
mean evaporate?
We still
Wait, I
probably
don't-
have
I don't know
VWAP
what
to
that
look at
means.
here. I'm in Santiago.
What
Let's
numbers?
go.
From what?
Mans is in there. Gonna get paid.
Kevin, you know what that means?
Love seeing it.
What the fuck?
Love seeing it, family.
Oh, yeah, I think it just means it's gonna
What
it'll get rid
numbers,
of all
though?
this momentum that they're trying to ride up to the upside.
Oh, for the chairman washed tariff?
Yeah.
VWAP feels like we're gonna get a test at it, and then if a closure above there, I'm out. But if we continue to auction like this, I'm not gonna mind a hold. You can see the volume is completely falling off for the buyers. Like I haven't seen anything that really looks excitatory from them yet. But they are above 50% of the range now, above this daily opening print price. If they get above VWAP, they're going to look very bullish to the top of the range. So I'm going to get out of that position then. But as of right now, we're just going to wait, see what happens.
Five minutes, very bullish. Let me see, 15 minute.
I think we could sweep through VWAP and find some more
Damn,
selling,
15 minutes bullish too.
orders, but we'll find out right now as a family. Here comes VWAP. Tapped into it officially now. Now we want to see this reaction. I don't really want to see a strong closure through it. Of course, if we do, I'm just going to get out. If we continue to stay inside of it, I'm going to hold. Of course, we close right at it. Now we got to wait for this candle to give us more information.
Damn, you see the 15-minute time frame?
Of course, we close directly at it, technically a little below it. Wait for more information on this next candle now. Any closure
about
above
it?
VWAP, we're out of this position.
It's bullish. You see these rejections?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
This is where I'm assuming sellers are going to continue to load up some orders on a bigger time frame. If not, then we're just going to continue. Look at this hourly wick. I mean, this thing is gnarly looking.
Down.
Wait for the information. See
That's
what we actually
50
get
points,
here.
bro. I would already been out. I would
Nasdaq
already
looks
been
like
done
it's trying to
trading
find some
today.
support. Strong V
Yeah, I
recovery.
just made 500.
This has been the pattern
You
lately.
did?
Just buy dips.
Yep.
Nice.
Trust the Nasdaq to find support. Decent wick so far. Can we get a closure through there?
Let me see if we can get a closure above our 5.
Looks like the top of the 15-minute range is coming. It's tough for me to close this just because I feel like we're going to absolutely recover.
Dude, he's
but
still not short. Let me see.
Oh, that guy?
Look at this hourly
Yeah.
wick, man.
Oh, hell no. He's in the
Fucking
short.
way.
He's down $600,000. $1,000 on each account.
The EMA has not curled up
Dude.
yet to the VWAP, which I hate. Cause
Has he had a good trade?
Yeah, he got
$10,000.
$10,000. Bro, he gets hella money. He makes
look
like...
at this V recovery off this Nasdaq.
Damn, look
Every
at the
time-
30-minute. Whoa.
Waiting though, still waiting. I know I said above the VWAP. I was
Whoa.
gonna close, but I don't know.
What?
I
Look
don't
at the
believe
30
it.
minutes.
I just don't. Look at this hourly wick. There's no way that we just hold
It's
that.
dropped a lot.
I mean, that is going to be filled. It is a nasty wick. Here comes the top of the 15-minute range. Assuming we're going to get a reaction at the top. I want to see the sellers responding here. Closure through the top of the range. is murder. Wow, look at the 30-minute candles. 30 minutes. Look at the hourly. Look at this wick on this.
Dude,
thing.
look at the hourly. What the
Crazy.
fuck? Yo, you see that?
Through
Look.
the top of the 50-minute
Yeah.
range. This is what I wanna
God
see now.
damn.
I want to see the reaction here.
Damn.
This is where I really assume sellers are going to respond. If not, we're just going to be wrong. I want to see the sellers responding to the top of this 30-minute range.
Does
Back into the VWAP we go.
does
I
he
wanna see
think
a
it's
wick
gonna
here.
continue
I
up?
really prefer a nice closure through this price.
They're all out. They got out. They wanted out before the numbers hit.
I love the fact that we're so separated.
No, I'm still in.
So separated
up.
from
One
reality.
guy's still in.
I'm in with
Like,
one micro though. You see?
Again, go to a
I'm up
grocery
100
store,
and-
go to a gas station. Ask the average person, how do you feel about this market right now in the world,
Right.
not the market? How do you feel about the economy
After
right now?
fucking-
And they're gonna
after
be
8 comes
so
out, I'm gonna scale in
bearish.
if
They
it
have
fucking just stays where it
funds.
is.
Everything's expensive.
that
Might
means
as well.
Going up.
Huh?
When you look at the Nasdaq
Might as well.
or any market,
Yeah, it's
we're
gonna
at
probably
all-time
go
highs,
up.
printing higher than we ever have, indicating
We're gonna probably
strength
go
that
up
we have
past
never
this
seen
for the new
before,
high
and it's
today.
just wild that they're so
I can see
separated.
that.
get
I
back
don't know
in.
if you see that, huh?
We'll see what happens.
I'll get back in if the numbers don't screw it up.
We'll see what happens.
Yeah,
I'm in
let's see.
2 GCs. This is
I'm
setting
in it.
up to be my biggest trade ever. What the
We
fuck?
got 17
Let's
seconds.
Go,
Look, it's a
Santiago.
countdown. You see it?
Are we kidding right now?
The final
Get paid, King.
countdown.
It's hard to close at this point if I was you, but it's hard to make all those profits back and the profits you needed to make. Yeah,
He's
man,
only,
okay.
yo,
I mean,
he hasn't
I'm-
made. He made money
I'm
on
in
every
combines,
platform but Apex
so
and something
At
else.
this point,
That's
we're
how
gonna be wrong,
up he
it looks
is.
like right now.
Look, here
Yeah.
it is.
Is that the guy you're watching?
I
Yeah.
was just wrong. For sure. Just busted him.
Ooh, I like this gap, bro. If this makes a
I
gap.
just busted them.
He
Even
busted
the EMA is
them.
cutting through VWAP, looking
Oh,
very
hell no.
bullish.
He just
looking
busted
very
his
strong.
accounts. But
Look
he
at the
got a
hourly
payout
wick
on
that just
another
closed
account
out
this
with
morning.
that
He
pressure.
traded.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. Absolutely surprised by that.
Alright, I'm gonna wait for
And
the break and
continuing to just
retest.
print. I mean, whoever grabbed longs, good eye. I couldn't and I wouldn't, but it's seeming to be the move. Oh baby. Well, do I load up again or just call it a day here? Probably just gonna call it a day.
I told that nigga go long. Didn't I? Every time I say longs is coming, this nigga, he said, he reads it.
Look how strong this wick is. From the
It don't
726s
do nothing.
and we wick back up into the 823s.
He's
A
funny,
100-point
man. It's
wick
like
on the hourly
he does the
chart.
opposite every time we trade.
Alright.
I mean, this has been
I'm
the
gonna
market for the
I'm
last
gonna wait
few
for this
weeks.
break and
Is any
retest
dip
now
you buy.
to scale in.
Even yesterday, look, we had a strong selling candle, even with a good closure. Found a doji at the bottom and then just rallied. Dip bought, dip bought, dip bought, dip bought. It just looks weaker. Could be coming up into these previous swing over here, these 860s. Excuse me.
Oh, I'm gonna see if this comes back. I'm
I
gonna
don't
see
know if
where
I'll
it
be a
comes back
bull
to.
on the entire day. I don't know if we're gonna continue up
Right.
for the rest of the day here. We could, but that's still pretty bearish. But I don't know. I don't know.
This nigga
Just
said he's
honestly
still
believe to
bearish.
take profit evals on my idea of the built bulls. So anything could happen.
Oh my god. I need to get in.
I don't know.
Been adding
Well,
Order filled.
That tapped me in.
adding full size if we flush 800s. Now putting break even. Wow, look at the 30 minutes. Now we ride, baby. Let's go. Yeah, the 30-minute chart probably looks insane. I know the hourly chart does, so. I'm in 2 GCs. My hand's shaky as fuck. Nah, you got this. Deep breath, Santiago. Good trading, King. It's going to work out. You good, Mud? Boss, we going up.
Oh,
We
this is
going
about
up,
to
boss
tap me.
trader, absolutely.
If this taps in me,
Non-deniable. If you, I mean,
MEA
again,
is
zoom back
it's gonna
out.
tap me
Go
out.
back out to the daily chart. Stop. Well, why are you trying to catch a knife here? Look at the pressure in the Nasdaq from the 23,000s, 23, 22.95.
Oh yeah, let's get that continuation up.
22,950,
Come on now, let's go, boy.
26,900.
Go.
Let's go. I was about to get tapped out right there.
4,000 points. That's
Same.
what it is.
I'm about to get
4,000
tapped out
points
still.
bullish in the last 3 weeks. So
Oh, yeah.
Unless we see a
history
green
says to
candle.
buy
on this.
any dip right now. I just know eventually this thing's gonna come back into reality. Look at this. Look at the shape to this thing. From October September, we were just sideways. Nothing was happening. Sell off from the war escalation, and then within 3 weeks, we recover everything that we ever went. And again, if you go to people on the streets, in the grocery store, in the gas station, at your local fucking pub, nobody is saying that they feel like we are stronger than we've ever been economically, but yet here we are. NASDAQ pushed up through the top of the 50-minute range, found some more support, and now we're back inside of it at the moment. Trying to auction at the top. Do we push through this EMA or do we continue to hold?
Dude, we need to push through this.
I just dropped my cookies. Fact. No, work. 5-second rule, King. No big deal. 26,900 book map. It's very possible that's where we're heading, boss. Especially after this strength found support again. I would not be surprised whatsoever. Look at the daily charts. I mean, extension candle after extension candle. Undeniable. Really.
Oh, this tapped me.
Yeah, same.
Undeniable, really. Use a stop loss, King. No, I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this here.
Yeah, this tapped me. Oh, unless it goes up from right here.
At this
It tapped me.
or you're wrong. I mean, I guess I could have followed my initial rule saying above VWAP, I wouldn't like it, but again, anything could happen. You got the closure here. This next candle.
Yeah, I got tapped.
You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was tough. I'll take it. I'm happy with that trading. I'm still in my long. Let's go, D. Good trading, King. I believe, I don't know. I don't know where we get to. We're back inside the 50-minute range right now in the EMA. This is going to be an interesting spot to find out. Longs from the 82. Long need 82 for.
We need longs from here.
Then we'll need 1,000-ish to pass. Let's fucking go, Dave. Guys got 5 accounts. Are you about to pass your last 2, or you have 5 pass? You're about to pass some more. Top tick King. Yeah, it does feel as though I might get bullied right now, Malachi.
Come on, let's
Imagine
go.
being the top tick right now.
Print these longs.
Could be. That'd be painful. 19 more familiar. Keep on smashing it. Nah, for real. 5-second rule. I still ate it. Have to, baby.
Let's go.
19 more likes for our 40 like goal to be smashed. Let's go, family.
When are you getting back in?
I'm already in.
40 likes.
I didn't get
There's
tapped out
47
yet.
of you beautiful people in here. We only need 19 to hit the button
You see?
and get to our 40
You see
like
where my
team
stop
goal.
Did I
loss
get back in?
We obviously just lost on these.
I didn't
Did I
get
get
out.
back in right now?
Yeah,
evals.
it's
We got our
past
winning
the
day
5
on
now.
recent
It's on top.
fundeds,
It's
so
on top of the
that's really
5-minute
what's
high.
important right now. We need 3 more
Let me-
days
I'm
for
in.
our
Wait-
third
wait
10K
for a
payout
break-in
in a row.
retest.
Let's see what happens.
But
Trying
I'm
to
back
pass through 3
positive.
evals,
I'm
I
up
had 2 funded,
$100.
that's what I thought,
Let's
yeah.
go.
I just like that you trade them together. Got stopped out. Re-entered at 27, risking profits.
Let's go. I need this continuation higher.
Getting it re-entered to the top of the 15-minute range looks strong here, Dave. All you got to see is a break of this new continuation for highs.
Let's go. I'm up 200.
Retail sales jumped 1.7% in March, more than expected. Oh, interesting.
Really?
Like, let's go, Malik.
This is my last trade today if it works.
Risking some profits is
Yeah,
okay
sir.
as long as you're being smart about it. Have your good stop loss in below. Right now, you should be nearly break even, just letting this thing ride. Either we're going to go grab this high, new high, break through this extension, or we're going to go back into your break even at the EMA and your VWAP, or your EMA, which is your price. So, yeah, I don't know. Look at the hourly chart here, family. This is crazy looking at the end of the day.
See you guys tomorrow.
You
Very
got off?
bullish.
Yeah, they're all done.
I mean, that's a strong hourly doji or
Right.
wick, and then we held, and now we're still trying to push
Mark
higher. I think
William.
I could see 9s getting tested here. Yes, I'm break even. Sell limit at the 85.75s. Let's go.
Let's go. I need
Is that
this
what you need to
continuation
pass?
higher,
Assuming
bro.
it is.
Yeah.
Let's find some extensions.
If we could close above here, I'm gonna put my break even on.
Gotta see it be quick. And now we're just chilling, family. NASDAQ looking pretty strong. Again, it's been the same narrative that we've been seeing, right? Buy dips. The longs have been unrelenting. We're up 4,000 points in the last 3 trading weeks. So,
4,000 points.
I don't know.
What the fuck? You heard him?
Yeah, that little.
All you can do is join that trend, which is our friend right now. I mean, it's just unbelievable, yet it's happening. So, gold finding some resistance below VWAP. This is what Santiago's talking about.
Got a little zest.
Guys, I'm in the long on all my accounts. I have 5 counts running. I'm up what, 3,000? 3,400? Let's go. I'm going for 1,000 today. How much are you up, Kevin? Kevin's in the Discord with me. Kevin, how much are you up, bro?
200.
200. I'm up 700 and it's long. Let's go, man. I'm going for 1,000, like I said. I might take profits right now. Yep, fuck it. I'm taking profits. Let me take 5. I'm in a buy, so I'm gonna sell some.
Order filled. Order filled.
So I took profits right here, and I'm gonna let. How much did I take it for? $180 and 44. So I'm gonna let the rest ride. I'm in 45. I got to put 45 back on. That's right here. I'm going for right here. All right. I'm up, guys. 600. Let's fucking go. I'm gonna hold this trade all day until I get my $1,000. All right. You still in, Kevin?
No, I got out. I got hit what I needed to hit.
I'm in a buy, so I'm gonna put sell right here for break even. Let's see what we do with this gap. There is a gap right here. Oh shit, wrong thing. Let me see what we do off this gap. See, guys, that's why I take profits. You see why I take profits?
Yeah.
In case it's coming down, but it's going back up. I need a couple more points higher. Probably up to the 80 and I could get out. Yup. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Alright, we're up 700, 800. Let's go, man. And I'm telling them when I'm in short or longs or in trades. So join the Discord, man. Look, 5K yesterday, 5K today. I'm up 3K still. I'm already up in profits, up 700 on each account. Fuck, what am I looking for? Positions? Nope. Alright, there we go. You see my accounts on the side?
Order filled.
Imagine this flips on us. Are you done,
That'd be
Kevin?
wild. What's up?
Are you done trading
No, I just got back in.
for a long?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm seeing if we could hold this. This is 1 minute gap. Looks like,
I just need like 100 more bucks or
yeah.
something. 200.
I just need right here this new high to break, and I'm good.
Yeah. It literally just needs like 10, 15 points. That's all.
10, 15. Yeah, I need same. 10. I need 15 actually from where we are now. So around where the high is, basically where this black high candle is, the highs of that black candle, or the
Oh, yeah.
highs of that green candle. If I get up there, I'm already done for the day.
Come on, just a little bit more.
Damn, I'm up 420. Let's see.
Come on.
Man, we just need a little push. Look, that's what I'm up on all my accounts. I'm going for 1,000. Come on, let's get that push up. Come on, let's get that push up. Let's go. We got that push up. I'm going for 1,000. We need a little more push. Let's get to that 880. 880, man. 880. Let's go for 880 on here. Nah, let's see a green candle, not a black candle. A green candle. Come on, buyers, where you at? Oh, shit. Oh, there we go. Let's get that rejection in. Get that rejection. Let's go. Man, we just need a little push. Get that rejection in. We're up 600. Let's go. We're going for 1,000. Come on. We just need a little bit. We need to see that 880 be taken out. If we could take that out, then I'm getting paid today. God damn. 6, we're at 7. Let's go 800. I seen 800 in there. Yep, we wicked up. Let's go 800. Come on, can we see? Let's
Order
fucking
filled.
go. Let's fucking go. I just got paid. Let's go. I made 700. Let's go. I made $5,000 today. Look, one account and I have 5. 988. 1,000. 1,000. 1,000. And 1,000. Fuck yeah, bro. I'm up 5K today off of a long. Let's go. It's only 8:17, bro. I made 5K. And the market opened at 7:30. It's only 8:17. Let's fucking go. If you want to learn how to trade, man, join in, bro. We win every day. Look at this, bro. Every day. We take L's and then we win after that. All it is a strategy. Look at that. I'm up 2,000 in a trade. Come on now, man. We out. All right, Kevin, I'm out.
Hey, bro. Have a good
Wait,
one.
are you done? You made profits too?
Oh, yeah. I'll see you tomorrow.
Wait, profits. I never seen you post them.
Really win down here. You guys had to break through this bottom that we've held.
All right.
Breaking below the 794s looks pretty good for the sellers. Gotta get some weight through there though. 980 day instead of 1500. I closed it.
Let's fucking
I like to
go.
get out the top there. That's one thing you are better than, or you like to do, is you like to just grab it when you have it. You don't need to look for the continuation. You don't need to look for all of it. If you get close enough, you're happy with it, and your risk to reward changes, so you grab it. I respect that. Let's fucking go. Let's go, D. Come on, King. It's a great long that you held. And you're getting paid for it. NASDAQ currently getting a little bit of resistance back at that 80s price again. Again, like we said, we've been sticky at that spot. Sellers getting this thing back down to the 50s now. Big rejection. Trying to break higher. Was unable to do it. Meanwhile, crude
All right,
is
Kevin.
taking high a day
You see what
out.
I'm gonna do? Watch. That's how I
Wild.
do it.
Wild family.
Dude, I went
There
up
you go.
100 points.
Where you coming from? Where
Fuck
you going,
yeah, we
NASDAQ?
did. Look, 70 all the way to
From
70.
the 773s to the
That's
879.
wild.
That's a 100-point trade right there, King.
Let's
Wrong
fucking
with that,
go.
D. Good shit.
Let's
That's a
fucking
special feeling right there. 100-point trade. Is
Let's
a beautiful,
fucking
beautiful,
go.
Beautiful thing.
100-point trade, and I told this
NASDAQ
nigga.
auctioning back into this previous.
Didn't I
swing
tell him
high
longs
that
is
broke
coming,
through the
chat?
15-minute range.
YouTube,
From
Yeah.
here,
everyone
interesting to
watching,
see where we
man.
go.
I
Weakness
told this
through
nigga.
here feels like VWAP.
And he
top of
still took us
15.
short.
Strength feels like we're still gonna go hold the EMA
Right now,
and back
look,
into the 900s.
short. It might come back to the 5 and then go long.
Got myself 5 lucid accounts. Hit DLL on
All right,
funded
let me
MFF.
screenshot
Trying to short. I'm
everything
done
and
for the
post
day.
it real
Got
quick.
yourself 5 lucid accounts. Let's go, King. Hopefully, code TFF all the way. Hit DLL on the funded MFF. Trying to short. You're not the only one, baby. That's me too, Matrix. I mean, look at the pressure. It's hard to just continually smash.
Let's fucking go, chat. We up like banana butt. I need one more day for 5 funded gut. Nigga, what? He got butt in a cup. Alright. Kevin,
Alright, bro.
we gonna go celebrate, Kevin. I'm gonna
Do it,
buy
man.
Dude, when I get this lawsuit money, I'm gonna buy a plane. You better hit me up.
I will.
Cause I need to
What
get
plane?
my. Well, I don't know if I'll be able to fly again, bro.
I think you will, at least
I don't
private.
know, dude. I felt that narrow thing I did. I might have to quit my job too. The narrow evaluation, it wasn't good, bro. This nigga said I'm gonna have to take 9 fucking days to grade it, bro. He asked me like, I don't know if you know what it is. So they'd say like 1, 4, 8, 9. Please repeat it, and then they'd be like 8, 9, 12, 13. Please repeat it backwards now. And then they do that, all that shit. And then he did like apple, orange, eraser, floor, elbow, headphones. And then he told me repeat it all. Dude, I had to ask him to repeat it like 20 times, dude. Every single thing, bro. That's how bad it is.
Ooh.
Yeah, I fell, dude. I'm telling you. And I don't know what happened in the crash. Like, there was no one
Yeah.
around me. And then when I got hit, there was everyone around me. So from that point to getting hit to like seeing everyone, I don't know what happened. I don't know if I lost consciousness or anything. Like, I don't know what happened. And if I got knocked out, that's definitely my medical, bro.
Yeah, that's true. That's tough.
I mean,
You should at least be able to fly for yourself, though, if you buy yourself.
yeah,
a
I
plane.
mean, yeah, and then I still get paid though. I know they're gonna.
Yeah.
My lawyer just wanna. He settled $1 million for his last lawsuit. If you look it up though, Colorado, I don't know what it is. It's like they're known for big ass like paychecks in the lawsuits for car accidents. Yeah, it was on I seen it on Facebook. I was like, what the fuck? I'm in one. I clicked it. Hopefully, I was like, hopefully this is right for me too. But
I
yeah.
hope so, bro. That's tough.
Yeah, I'm gonna just trade full time and then I want to buy a laundromat and some other stuff.
yeah.
So
Might
I
as
mean,
well.
it works out for me,
Yeah.
and I can still
You can
fly.
get into
I
you
can
can get into boxing or MMA. Your brain's already messed up. Might as well.
Oh hell no!
What's
the
a little bit of
fuck?
CT?
Look, dude, I posted one of these 2 times. $80, $82, $82. Oh, it's this one. All right. So I need the one with 900. Which one did I make 900? Should I make more on this 900 one or should I leave it? I'm taking your advice on this. That's what I'm asking.
Today? I mean, you trade again?
Yeah, like just to try to get 1,000 on this, or should I just leave the little 16 points is missing, or 12 points is missing? I said 16. My dumbass. You see, my brain is off, nigga. 16 would be 100, 1,006.
I don't know, man. You already you made 5,000 already. I'd be cool with that.
Alright, I posted that, and then look, I'm gonna post this real quick so you can see too, and in case you want to post yours. Let me clean this up. Get rid of that. Oh, this is shorts is coming in now. Good thing we took that 100 points to get out.
Yeah.
For real, huh, nigga? The shorts is coming in. Damn, bro, we took some good trades though.
Yeah.
Off the zone to that. Didn't I say the zone too? You were in here when I kept telling him we're gonna. Were you? I don't know.
No, my device was dead. I was trying to charge it.
Oh, look. What did I say? Look. There's a big ass rejection. You see this? There's a big ass fair value gap, 15-minute time frame at 26,760. I might be looking for longs off of that. 26,760. Where's that? 26,760 right here. Look where the fuck he went back up. And I told him, bro. I told him.
That's
Dude, and then
funny.
I told him another time. Look, I put it there, and I told him another one. There's a big ass frame 26. I might be looking longs off. Also, there's a gap where it's rejecting now. Where it was rejecting now was that same gap I was talking about.
Yeah.
It's the same number. And then I told him down here, I'm in the long. Look, I'm in the long. And then look, he was in the long too.
That's funny.
But chat, we are done today. I am going to screenshot this. Oh, wait, hold up. I did that wrong. So, guys, I need to take the most profit I made, which is this 715. Yep. Actually, let me see if I could do it like this. Do that. Kevin, you think I could get it all in the same picture? You think so?
Might as well.
No, I can't. Let me see. So that's right there. That's right here. Yeah, but... Oh, I know what to do. I'm gonna click this. So I gotta click it at this. There used to be a way. Oh, I got it. You see it? I got it.
Sure enough.
1,000.
All right, bro. I'm gonna head out.
All right.
I'll catch you tomorrow.
All right. Peace out. I'll see you tomorrow.
Later.
No. Hey Siri. right, guys, that was the trade recap. So, yeah, peace out YouTube, peace out Twitch. If you guys want to come, man, show some love to this Discord. Come join in. You're always welcome. Everything is always published.